Zotero is a free open source citation manager. We can use it to organize and cite research. It is available for Windows, Mac, and also Linux operating system. This video will guide you on how to install and use Zotero for creating references and bibliographies on Microsoft Word. Installing Zotero. Open the browser and go to worldwideweb.zotero.org/download. Click on the blue download button. Open the installation file to begin installation. You should have already saved the downloaded file on your computer. Follow the setup wizard step by step. Installing Zotero Connector. Click on the blue Install Edge Connector button if you are using Edge browser, or install Firefox Connector for Firefox browser, or install Chrome Connector for Chrome browser. Follow the steps listed in the setup wizard. Create a collection. Open the Zotero application, right-click on My Library, choose New Collection to create a new collection with a customized name. For example, Project 1. Click on the newly created collection name. All items will be placed here. Saving sources from Google Scholar. Open your browser, go to scholar.google.com and make a search. First, you need to enable the import into Bittec function. To enable it, click on the menu button, displayed as 3 stacked horizontal lines. Choose Settings. Under section Bibliography Manager, enable Show links to import citations into option and select Bittec from the drop-down list. Click Save. Now you can import the article information into the Bittec format. Click on the Import into Bittec link for the article that you select. Use a mouse, select all text, right-click, and select Copy. Now you want to import the Bittec information that you have copied to clipboard. Open Zotero application, click on File, then Import into clipboard. The item will be saved in the selected collection folder. You can also save articles using Zotero Connector. Go back to the Google Scholar search results on your browser. Click on the Zotero Connector icon. You will get a Zotero item selector window. Select the articles that you want to import into Zotero and click the OK button. Then you can select the collection's name, where you want to save the articles. All the items will be saved in the selected collection in Zotero. Now you want to set the citation style. Click Edit, Preferences, click the Cite button, select a citation style of your preference in the Style Manager area. For example, American Psychological Association 7th edition. Click on the OK button. To add the citation in Microsoft Word, open Microsoft Word, place the cursor where you would want the citation to be placed. Click on the Zotero option on the ribbon. Click on the Add Edit Citation button. For the first time, you will be prompted with Zotero Document Preferences window. You need to select the citation style. Select APA 7. Click OK button. Now you will get a red rectangle. Click on the red Zotero icon and choose Classic View. You will get a Add Edit Citation window. Select the citation that you want. Click on the OK button Zotero will automatically format the citation according to your selected citation format and place the citation at the location of your cursor. Sometimes you want Zotero to produce only the year in bracket without the author name. Maybe because you want to cite the author in the sentence. For example, according to Doe, bracket 1998, comma, blah blah blah. In this case, tick the suppress author option after selecting the article and before click on the OK button. You can also have more than one citation. To select more than one citation, click on Add Edit Citation button again. Click on Multiple Sources on the bottom of the dialog box. Select the citations to be added. Click on the right arrow button. Click OK. Finally, to add the list of references, place the cursor on where you want to add the list of references. Click on Add Edit Bibliography icon. This time, Zotero will insert the references where the cursor is located. Zotero will automatically add their references to the list of references when a new citation is added. That's all. Thank you.